We just got water with Shelby. I don't know how do you do this. I can't do it. We felt like getting Starbucks, but we had we couldn't be bothered getting a hot drink or frap. So we wanted some Starbucks, but we didn't have any money at all. So we were like, why don't we just get some water? Well, it tastes. It's delicious. It doesn't even. It's like really. Not even explainable. It's just really delicious. I'm gonna explain how it tastes. It's a nice caramel latte, iced with venti. They gave us a grande. This is like the smallest one you can get. Did you ask for a tool? Oh wow. Do you guys like? Film it like that. Yeah. Do you guys like my fake Chanel purse? It's really luscious. I got glitter on my face. It's raining and we're drinking ice water. Sippy sippy. That's raining. So guys, I ran out of money, so I came back here to get this. Christmas. Because I'm now in the warehouse. And I got it because I ran out of money. So I just came back here and Shelby's in the car. And there's glitter on my face. I know. So I'm gonna go buy this now. Be right back. Hey guys! So I look like a mess right now. Excuse my hair. What? It's Monday. We've just got back from school and it was raining and we didn't have our bus cards or anything, so we had to walk. And yeah, and Tamika's at my house. We're at my house right now. Jello. Oh. We're currently making some waffles, which just pop, and some hot chocolate because it's very cold. And this is our little DIY. So we got some marshmallows and some Nutella, and we're gonna melt this and then drizzle all over our waffles. It's gonna be delicious. Very cool enough. Oh, our waffles are done. This is Tamika's and this is Shelby's, and now we've got to melt this so we can put it over our waffles. Oh, that's my mum's wine, by the way. Yeah, okay. I just put this robe on because I am cold and wet, which is Shelby's. These are our waffles, guys. They look so good. I already showed them to them. Oh, and now we've got this marshmallow thing in here. Shit. Oh shit! Shelby, quick! Get the spoon! Get the spatula! Oh! Okay, so this didn't go as planned. No, it's like this thin consistency, but oh well. Yeah, we were expecting like a nice runny, chocolatey consistency. I think we need to like spoon this. You can stuck to me. Shelby, it won't come. Oh! It won't come off. So guys, our luscious marshmallow Nutella thing is now coming onto our waffles. And do you guys like our Disney ball thing? Yes. Really hey guys, so we're at school now and we're at the top of our English block. Oh, and before we leave the vlog, we just got these necklaces. Oh, really luncheons. We both have one. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because this is like our goodbye channel. Subscribe to our main channels, like our secret ones, and because we like doing vlogs and combined videos, and our next video is a really cool which we're actually planning out. So yeah, and if you so this is something. Oh yeah, this is only our first video, so we will improve and get better with YouTube. I hope you did enjoy it for now.